Is my hot tub compatible with an air source heat pump? I'll let you into a secret, it probably is. And in this video, I'll explain exactly why. Hey, I'm Andy from builderhottub.com, and on my channel we look at air source heat pumps, we look at building hot tubs and building plunge pools as well, and pretty much everything in between. Now on this video we're going to look at whether your hot tub is compatible with an air source heat pump, and as I said in the introduction, the chances are it is. The fact that it's compatible doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be controlling it from your topside control. So your topside control are the buttons where you set the temperature on your tub, you turn your blower and your jets on and off. Now, the chances are you're not going to use those controls for your air source heat pump. And the reason being is that there's only a small amount of units that are actually compatible in that way. You have to match the brand of spa pack, so Balboa or Gecko for example, with the brand of heat pump, but just because the brands match doesn't necessarily mean that your topside control or your spa pack is actually able to control that air source heat pump. There's certain software revisions that you need. It has to be quite a new version, and there's certain topside controls, so actual panels that are compatible as well. So it's a little bit of a minefield if you're trying to match up the air source heat pump and the spa pack that you have. However, there is an alternative, and the alternative is what I recommend, and all of my customers are doing this, is you're actually controlling your air source heat pump by flow. So what do I mean? Well, what I mean is your hot tub is compatible with an air source heat pump if you can control it by flow. So the way that it works is when your circulation pump is actually running, you're putting water through the air source heat pump. The air source heat pump senses that there's water going through it and it turns itself on. It will then heat up to the temperature that you have set. And you have set that independently on the air source heat pump. Now, you should always try and match the temperature that you set on your tub to the temperature that you set on your air source heat pump, because if you don't, during your filter cycles or your purge cycles, basically whenever the pump turns on, you're actually going to get heat into your tub, and you don't want that. You only want the hot tub to heat when you've asked for it. So how do we make this work? Well, what we actually do is we disconnect the electrical heater from the spa pack. Now, this sounds more complicated than it actually is. In most cases, it's just a Molex connection, which is one of those that you pinch either side and you can just unplug it from the board. Now, the spa pack itself doesn't know, or it can't tell that the heater is disconnected. So what happens when the temperature drops on the thermostat, the spa pack wants to call for heat. To call for heat, it will turn on the relay. The relay will click, but there's just nothing connected to it. However, the pump will also turn on, because you can't have heat without the pump moving through to actually keep the water flowing and make sure the unit doesn't overheat or run dry. So with the pump running and the flow running through the air source heat pump, the air source will then kick in, it will start to heat, and your hot tub will heat up. So we're actually controlling the air source independently from the spa pack by using flow. And this means that your hot tub is compatible with an air source heat pump, because you can use this with any air source heat pump that has a flow switch inside. Now, on this channel, I recommend the Comfort line range of air source heat pumps. They're really well priced, they have good specifications, and I actually have one on my own tub. Saved a whole bunch of money in doing so, and hopefully I can help you save a whole bunch of money as well. So if you're wondering, is my hot tub compatible with an air source heat pump? The answer is yes, for the exact reasons that I've explained in this video. If you would like some help, or you need supply of an air source heat pump, get in touch. I've got some links underneath this video. I hope you found this short video useful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. If you've liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video.